Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can hide your birthday in your Facebook account. So in order to hide your birthday, what you need to do is simply click on these three vertical lines at the top corner of your screen. Then once you are here, simply click on this settings toggle icon. Then under the settings and privacy option, simply scroll down until you see this audience and visibility options. Now in these options, you can see the second option which says profile details. Simply click on the profile details. Then scroll down and you can see in under the basic info your gender and your birth date. As here you can see that currently my birth date is visible to the friends of my Facebook as well as their friends. So in order to change this, simply click on this edit option right here. Once you have clicked here, it will give you the option for the day as well as for the year as well. So if you want to change only the day and the month to be visible to only your friends or to no one, you can do it from here. Or if you want to do the same for the birth year as well, you can do the same from here. So let's see how to do this. If you want to hide your complete date of birth, first click on this option and select only me button right here. Then choose the second option and choose only me. Then once you have done this, simply click on the save button right here. Once you have clicked on the save button, here you can see that your date of birth is now hidden from everybody else. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.